Good morning, CCS Home Solutions. This is Loretta from Sky High Marketing. How are you doing? I reached out to you a few days ago and I promised you a video, so here it is. I just wanted to show you 3 tips you can use and really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let's get started. You have done some work here on your website. It's not a whole lot, but that's a good work you did, at least for starting. I can see here you do not have from submit, where people can put their information for request or for quote. You do not have a lot of content. You have a few images, which is good. So I can see here you have only 2 social media icons. You have to have at least 5 to 6 of social media, and then put the icons here. Okay, so let's check out your competitions. So these guys here, this is Gulf Coast Fence. Looking at their website, as you can see, they have a lot more content than you do. They have more images. So content is anything that you can highlight. Sure, I've done that on yours. So anyway, so all of these pictures, the images, and the text. So if I have to be the one to help you with your website, there are 2 things we have to do. First, we have to make sure we have 1,500 content on here at your homepage. And secondly, we have to have some keywords in here. For example, if you have something like, let's see. So if you have something like first service, repair, Houston, Texas, on here, like several places or more than that on your homepage, and if anybody comes in here and Google that, you will be really relevant and Google will be willing to put you at the top. In addition, the more content you have, the more knowledgeable Google thinks you are. So if you have more content, Google will think that you are more knowledgeable. So I went ahead and check out this. So I went ahead and check out Fence Repair Houston, Texas. This right here is called Mappark. And these 3 listed here are the ones that are receiving a lot of work, because they are pretty easy to find and you can see them as soon as you come in here. And these right here, these are called organic section. And as you can see right here, we have Gulf Coast Fence. This is your competition, one of them. So they are right here at the organic section, but they are not here at the Mappark area. So it's really good to be here at the Mappark, at the organic section, and also at the Mappark area. That will really give you a good stand, and Google will kind of see you as somebody who is very, very knowledgeable in what they're doing. So there are 3 reasons why these guys are here at the Mappark. 1, having a Google business profile. Secondly, optimizing as much as possible, that is making it better, perfect, or effective. And 3rd, getting your name, address, and phone number into many directories as possible. Okay? So this right here is this is a paid program I normally use to research on websites. It's called ERIS. I went ahead and search your business name here, so I can see what we are working with, like your numbers. So with that, I just want to show you a few things here. First, this is called DR. You have 0, and this thing is very important to where you fall within the Google search results. ADR ratings power ratings with Google. And these numbers are generally increased by the amount of backlinks you have on this site. And here is your backlink. You have 3. So most of these things are pretty important to have, and so if you have them, it's good, but you do not have a lot of numbers. But anyway, backlinks is like a shout out or a click of a button from another site. Let's say, for example, your competition here, golf course, fence, these guys here. Let's say somebody have written an article about them, and everybody should go and check them out. So if they happen to have a clickable button, like a button you can click, a word or a sentence you can click that will link back to their website, and everybody goes and click on that, that will be called a backlink. So another thing I want to talk to you about today is called organic keywords. So you have 0 organic keywords, and that's not good. So with that, let me show you. Let me go to your competition. This is I search their business name here. So these are their numbers. As you can see, they have 0.8 DRs. So let me go straight to organic keywords. So here's the organic keywords, okay? Let's go in so I can show you what I'm talking about. So right here. So all of these are keywords. So if you are getting a lot of traffic, you are going to have a lot of keywords, which means people are searching you. This is the volume. This is how many times people have searched these keywords this month. For example, fence repair Houston, people have searched it 350 times this month. So that's to show you that you have to have some of these things on your website, so that when people go in there, they click on it, and then you get this volume. It doesn't mean that they are going to be your customers, but maybe eventually they can come back and then become your customers. So, but it's good to have keywords that people are searching for. That gives you relevance, that gives you authority, and everything else you can think of. So with that, we talked about content. You need to have at least 1,500 content on your homepage. And secondly, you need to have keywords where when people come in here, they click on it, and then something like this, but not this keyword. Something like fence repair Houston, Texas, or fence repair Sugarland. When people click on it, then they can, go and read about it, or probably give you a call. So, and then you need backlinks, and then you need more than 2 social media icons here. If you don't have them, you try to have more of them, up to 5 to 6, and try to run some ads as well. So with that, I hope this has been very helpful and informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. Thanks, and have a great day.